Ay, teka, di pa. Okay.
Ako po si Teresita Valentino, ang Head Social Worker ng El Sigaches Village. On behalf of the Department of Social Welfare and Development and the El Sigaches family, we would like to convey our sincerest gratitude to the management and staff of Delix Pharma International through their president, Mr. Ruiter Orosio. Your commitment to support us through funding the salary of 2 additional house parents for 2 years and hopefully more will not only make the job of our current house parents easier and more bearable, but also increase the quality time they can now allot to each of our residents. Caring for the residents of El Sigaches Village is really a challenge for the current pool of house parents. The current ratio is 1 house parent for every 63 residents, but the ideal ratio is 1:5. The additional manpower that you will provide and your added commitment to recruit more sponsors for additional house parents will definitely go a long way in narrowing the gap and bringing it closer to the ideal staff-client ratio. You have never really lived until you have done something for someone who can never repay you. May our good Lord continue to shower you and your company with abundant blessings so that you will be able to help more. Thank you.